Hello, everybody. How are you doing? Also, sorry, the audio is very loud. Actually, let's turn that down. That should be like there. There, that's what we should be at. All right. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome on in. So we have 2 effects that we need to do today, both of which involve the boost pads and pickups. And essentially what we are going to do is we are going to do different effects based off of them. So the first one being, if you pick up a boost pad, you will get a goal. The second one being, if you pick up a boost pad, you will die. So we got two of them here to do. Okay, so let's do this. Let's get into the code. I'm actually going to put this off to the side so I can see what we have yet to do. Alright, so we need to come in here and first off move these in here and then move these in here. I really should make like a folder that's just like the effects. But it is what it is. Okay, so the first one is going to be the boost goal effect. And this will be a... Hold on, what kind of effect was this? Or do I not even have an effect for this? Boost pickup. I don't think I have an effect for this. Alright, goal scored, all eyeball touch, eye player touch. This needs to be like an eye boost pickup effect. Alright, so we need to make like a base class here. Eye boost pickup effect. This will be a Twitch effect. Alright, so then let's do this. The bool is boost pickup effect equals false. So when we have a boost goal, I think we only need this constructor. Is boost pickup effect equals true. I'm not gonna say it targets none. Let's bring that in here. Bring that in here. So then now we can do a... Oh wait, I need a thing for them to notify boost picked up. I'm gonna want the car wrapper of the player that picked it up. There we go. Add a class. This will be the boost goal effect. Will be an eye boost pickup effect. Okay, so when we have a, let's say like an add ball effect, we have essentially all of this. So let's make these. Boost goal effect. This that is finished equals true. So this will be a this, but then we also need a one of these. So the bump goal effect. This is what I'm looking for. This will be basic here. Boost goal effect. Okay, so this will be a boost goal. So, what do we want? Add goal. And it won't be the target, it'll be, alright, I need the wrapper utils. Include wrapper utils. Wrapper utils. Get team num of r.getPre. So current score. Yes. Okay. And that should be basically it for this. The landmines effect will essentially be kind of the same thing. Add a class. An I boost pickup effect. I didn't want to make it there. In boost, why in boost goal? Alright, well, let's just like copy this. Nope. I think I need that even. Okay, so instead of this... Oh wait, boost goal. No, we're not gonna finish when we're done. And for this one, it'll just be car.demolish2, I believe. Right? Where's the demo goal, or demo effect? Just want to see if this will compile. I'm pretty sure it will. Hold on. This... I want you to be down here. Can I access parameter declare class? High boost pickup effect. Oh, I see. I didn't make it public. That's why. No, that's fine. That's fine. Demo effect. Add ball effect I don't need. Why is the error list there and not here? There we go. Fixed it. There we go. Alright. Just making sure the YouTube was still going. Alright, I don't think I need this right now. What I do need to do is add something similar to this. Where it's a notify player picked up boost. Wait, no, that. A car. Must be an, should I include an I boost pickup effect? Okay, so theoretically that should be wired in. Include I want the boost goal effect and include the landmines effect. Alright, I gotta remember which one's which. Landmines is 65. 64. Adding boost goal effect. This will be the landmines effect. Theoretically, I think this will be wired in. So let's find out. Alright, first one we're doing is boost goal. Oh, I know what I didn't do. There's something I didn't do, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. So it'll be server and then car. That's what we forgot to do. We forgot to actually do something with it. Alright. Wait. Why am I not getting anything? Where's boost goal effect? Oops. Go back. Oh, is boost pickup effect. That would be why. Figured it out. I don't think I need this anymore. I'm quite confident now. Confidence is through the roof. Hey, there we go. All right, it works. All right, seems like that has finished. So now we should die. All right, landmines works too. Oh, it's still not over. All right. So that's working perfectly. So let me save my stuff. Excellent. I'm glad that those are finished. Okay, so that means that we need to come back to our requirements, as now all of these are now done. Right, we have the README. Let's go to we have it in the change log. Excellent. We have it there. Let's go to the website code and make sure that it's fine there. All right, we do have it there. So if I run this locally, we are up to 63 effects. Which is pretty good. All right, so it's responsive. Excellent. Let's see. We have crossbar goals. Boost pickup equals teleport. I think we should do that one. Boost launches into the air. Yeah, I think we should definitely do that one. A bump launches someone into the air. Well, we can do that one in a bit. Let's do some more boost stuff since we're working on it. So if boost will teleport you, what do we want to call this effect? Magic boost? Also, we should have a boost flip. Like, you pick it up and it just flips your car in a direction. Boost pickup equals teleport. I think that should be like magic boost. Actually, hold on. Wasn't there a... I want to check something real quick. Car.get boost component dot set consumption. Ooh, there's a boost consumption rate. Let's do like 0.05 F and see what happens. I want to see what happens if we set the boost consumption rate on a car. Like, will it just last forever? I guess to be fair, I also don't know what the default value is. I'm assuming it's 1. What did I just modify? That was the boost goal effect. So I need to pick up 1. Oh yeah, you can really like set the boost consumption rate like real low. Like that's super low. Like, you can set it to essentially 0. Actually, I wonder what happens if we set it to negative. Can we gain boost? Why was that there? That was weird. Like, I bet it doesn't validate this. And we're gonna find out. Like, can using boost gain you boost? I probably should have put it higher than, like, the value that it was at, but oh well, we're here. Oh, wait. I forgot, I need to actually pick up a boost. In order for that to actually take effect. Yeah, boosting gives me boost. Excellent. So that does work. So now you know what that means. We need to make this like -5 and just see like our boost like rack up. All right, so we can do boost consumption rate. Oh yeah, like we could do -5 and it just goes up massively. All right, so we know it works. We know we can do it. Okay. So let's do the magic boost effect. Actually, what was the name of it? An eye boost pickup effect. Actually, we should start here. So we're gonna have magic boost. I don't think I need this now. Okay. I boost pickup effect. Add a class. This will be magic boost. I boost pickup effect. I'm just gonna copy landmines because it's very easy. That should be an override, right? Probably. Once that is finished, equals true. So on landmines, this is the same. Okay, so now the teleport effect. We're gonna need utils and random. Wait, I don't need random here, right? I don't think I do. Yeah, and I don't think teleport does either. Okay, so this should be working. Almost. Magic boost. Okay, we got magic boost there. Yeah, I think that's done. So now I think we got to come here. Magic boost equals 66. This means we got to come into the config files. Magic boost. Let's say 50. Actually, let's go 75 because this is very disruptive. Because not only does it teleport them, but it continuously teleports them and starves them of boost. They are just out of the game. Effectively. Magic boost effect. Oh right, I didn't update the other config files. Like the default or the backup. Hey, Hugin, welcome on in. How you doing, buddy? What's going on? 89 there. It was like 80 here today. Okay, I need to reload this. Landmines is going to be very similar. Magic boost. Magic boost. Oop. Actually, I guess they do get the boost. But it's multiple teleports. Alright. You ready to test this, Hugin? I think we're ready to test. So Hugin, what I'm about to test is essentially that whenever I pick up a boost pad, it should teleport me. You found a new anime? Really? That's 66 test effect. That shouldn't be test effect. Did I forget to do something? I think I did. I did. Wait, is it... Did I just say magic boost? Not magic boost effect? Well, now I know what you found. Now I have to know. All right. But yeah, what are you watching? I want to know. Oh, and by the way, if you're not watching Frieren, you need to watch Frieren. It's so good. The Demon King's daughter is too kind. I've seen the card. But I haven't watched it. But you like it though? Alright, magic boost works. That was so easy. Alright, requirements. Magic boost effect. Done. Did put it in the changelog, yes. Magic boost effect. And the read. Alright. So, next up in terms of the requirements, maybe boost launching someone in the air? So what would be a good name for this? Like Spring Boost? Maybe? I think that might be I think that's a good name. Spring Boost? Launches you into the air. Well, we already have that. That's the magic boost. Tele boost is magic boost. Because we already have magic touch and magic, or I guess it's mega bump. So that's not consistent, but we have the magic touch for the ball. Where the ball will randomly teleport when touched. Alright, this will be spring boost. You absolutely have the magic touch when it comes to the ball. Alright, so then that's gonna essentially be kind of the same as this. First, spring boost. Okay, so that should be done. What did I put in the README? Tosses the target in the air. So that'll bring us up to 64 effects. Spring boost. I feel like I need to order this. Settings screen. Spring boost. Spring boost. Effect generator will be last. It's gonna be very similar to magic boost. Let's add a class. The spring boost effect. It's an eye boost pickup effect. But other than the anime, what's new with you, Hugin? Anything? There's not a lot new with me. Oh, Tuesday stream is going to be pushed back to either Wednesday or Thursday. I've got some stuff to take care of after work. Alright. I don't think we need utils. I think what we just need to do is do like vector velocity add equal and then velocity add dot z equals 1000 and car dot set velocity. Wait, no. Oops. Vector velocity equals car dot get velocity. Oh, I can add a velocity. Oh, that's what I was trying to do. I'm trying to add velocity. Car to add velocity. Alright, we'll see if that's enough impulse. Adding a spring boost effect. All right. So theoretically, this will work now. Oh, yep, that definitely sprung me upwards. It's kind of like tripping on a banana peel, you know? Boing! Oh, you know what, though? Oh, it finished. Well, let's play with it again. It adds velocity instead of, like, setting the velocity upwards. I mean, that was actually pretty easy, all things considered. Alright, so we got spring boost. Spring boost is done. Alright, next up is the... Let's do boost flip. Let's do boost flip. Because we're just on a roll with all these boost things. I already did those. We can do boost consumption rate. Yeah, let's do boost flip. So let's start at the README. Do CB boost flip duration target. Every boost pickup flips the target on a random axis. This one will do 75. Because you don't really like lose your position and you still get the boost. It just really messes you up. Okay. Let's copy this. Boost. Flip. Boost flip. Boost flip. I'm pretty sure that's done now. So boost flip. Boost flip. Boost flip. Okay, so not magic boost. Let's add a class, so this will be the boost flip effect, and I boost pickup effect. Ooh, I just thought of something. I just thought of an effect. Bumping flips, like a bump flip effect. So when you bump someone, it just flips them on like a different, axis. Let's just copy this. Just flip effect. Oops. So this will be a boost flip effect. And then where's my boost flip here? Oh, it's all the way down here. Boost flip. This will be similar to spring boost. boost flip effect. So now if we go to the flip effect, just put that off to the side. I'm gonna put this in utils. Flip axis value, and int input value. So now what I can do is I can do hashtag include utils.h, and where is this used? I can then instead do utils flip axis value. I don't need this, and do the flip effect. Doesn't need that. Boost flip effect. Alright, so all we need to do is just figure out this here. So what did the flip effect do? Well, well, well. Look what the shark bait brought in. It's a misadventures in Astro. How you doing, buddy? Welcome on in. What are you up to? Shark bait only works on you. You're not supposed to know that. You're not supposed to know that it only works on me. Playing with your Jupiter data. I saw what you sent me last night, which was awesome. Okay, include utils, because I think utils was utils generate random number between 1 to 2, int random axis equals that, switch random axis. Case 0 will be yaw. Case 1 will be pitch. Case 2 will be roll. So the flip effect. So the rotator. Okay, so that's rotator.yaw equals blah blah blah. Okay. Utils dot yes. Yaw, pitch, and roll. But what's up, both of you? Welcome on in. We are adding some new effects right now. So essentially, this one is that whenever you pick up a boost pad, whether small or large, it's gonna just flip your car. Yeah, I think I can make a big improvement with how I stacked the images since I was doing it in a batch before, so now going back and doing it individually. Gotcha. So you... Okay, so you're doing like batches of stuff. Like flip upside down? Well, in one of the 3 axes, like in yaw, pitch, or roll. So, like, you could be going forwards and suddenly you're facing backwards. Like you hit a banana peel. Or you might be upside down. Or you might be upside down and backwards. Because that's essentially what, pitch is. Alright, we got a spring boost effect. Oh wait, no, I didn't want spring boost. I wanted boost flip. Alright. Alright, well it's a combination right now. Although I should have it say which one it's doing. All right, let's do this again. Boost flip. Okay, so that was 2 rolls. That was a pitch. That was a yaw. Okay. Hey, that helped. All right. So boost flip is done. See, what's nice is that once I get into like a rhythm and I've got things like sorted out as to how like it should happen, effects just like start dropping, you know, like they're easy. And boost flip. All right, read me. Alright, boost flip effect is done. Do we want to do the crossbar one for the goal? Or do we want to do something else? We're at 66 effects. You aren't going to be happy until you have at least 69. I hate that you're right. Let's do boost consumption because that'll be easy, I think. Actually, bump flip and bump launch will be easy as well. So let's do those. Yeah, so let's do the bump flip effect. Because that'll be funny. Alright, so every bump by the target flips the bumped car on a random axis. Let's do this. The bump flip effect. I also just remembered that I haven't been updating the change log. So we'll have to do that as well. There's boost flip. This will be first bump flip. Okay. I'm gonna put this off to the side. Bump flip. This is not a boost pickup. This is an iPlayer touch notifier effect. Add class. All right, where's the bump demo effect? Oh wait, no, it was demo bump, not bump demo. All right, demo bump. All right, bump flip. Where's the boost flip effect? Because it's essentially kind of the same thing that's happening here. But just to the bumpy, or bumped. Right, bump flip effect. Okay, I think that's all good. So now, whenever you bump someone, theoretically, it will make them flip over. Like you got a power up. Oops. I'm gonna need one bot in here, at least. Oh, wait. Ha! All right, it's working. Although I need to change something here. This is supposed to be bump flip. Nope, that one's right. This one is the bump flip effect. I'll come back to the README. Okay, bump flip effect is done. Yeah, we got some stuff to add in here. Hold on. Put this off to the side. So the last one was landmines. 1, 2, 3. We've added 4 effects since then. Magic boost. Spring boost. Boost flip. And bump flip effect. So that brings us to 67 effects. The young generation would laugh at that for some reason. Who knows? Who knows why? Okay, so we got to do 2 more tonight. Bump launching someone into the air. I think we can do that one. Bump launching. What do we want to call this? Like bump yeet? Do we already have Mega Bump? We do already have Mega Bump. That should be called like Magic Bump. Mega Bump should be called Magic Bump, really. Should we rename it? I think we should rename it. That's gonna be a pain. Or maybe I don't rename it. No, let's rename it. Mega Bump. Renamed Mega Bump to Magic Bump. Mega Bump. A Magic Bump. That'll be Magic Bump. Renamed Mega Bump to Magic Bump. So then on the effects list, hey, it's a Dave. How you doing? Welcome on in. If you guys have not seen Dave, make sure you go and check him out. Builds his own telescopes and then takes images of the night sky. Another of the astrophotographers on this platform, like Misadventures in Astro and Astro Canuck and myself. All right, so we need to rename Mega Bump. Rename that to Magic Bump. But what's happening, Dave? You doing any imaging tonight? Do you have clear skies? Did you pay your cloud bill on time this time? I hope you did. Got back yesterday from 2 nights of camping at the dark sky with no clouds. I'm so jealous. I hate you so much. What were you imaging? I'm assuming it was a broadband target of sorts. The Leo triplet, nice. Did you post an image? Got 42 hours of HA data on that from home, so shot 2 nights of broadband. Nice. All right, is this the image in question? Dude, this I'm jealous. I'm jealous. There's a lot of detail that can be found in there. Probably work on that processing some more. Nice. How much broadband did you get? HA, LRGB, lots of tricky blending. Yeah, I can imagine. I can imagine. Like, the kind of, you know, the pixel math for that is tricky. Because, like, you don't want to like overwhelm like one of the channels. But very nice. About 12 hours of broadband. Super lucky, super lucky. Very nice, very nice. I look forward to what you're able to pull out of that. And this is now magic bump effect. Is there any includes to mega bump? Yeah, I've got clouds for a while essentially, so I cannot do any imaging. It's like super rainy here. Well, actually, it looks like maybe later this week I can do some. Like Friday into Saturday and Saturday into Sunday. I might be able to. All right, let's make sure the Mega Bump still works. Or Magic Bump. Oh, that was just testing, so that'll be Magic Bump. Okay, so Chat Bytes is running. Let's get into Rocket League. Because I think Mega Bump now makes more sense if it launches someone in the air. You know, versus Magic is like they just disappear like a magic trick. Yeah. So that makes him disappear. Alright, so Magic Bump still works. So now we can bring Mega Bump in. Which is going to be very weird now that we have Mega Bump back. Every bump by the target. By the target tosses the bumped car into the air. Every bump. Okay. Mega Bump. Okay, and this will be Mega Bump. All right, so now this will be Parse Mega Bump. I'm like just now like undoing everything I just did in a weird, stupid way. Okay, so Mega Bump should be fine now on the Chat Byte side. I'm gonna have to go back and like Actually, we already have the link for it. Where's Magic Bump? Oh wait, what did I say in the README? Okay, then magic bump. I can actually just take this. Put it there. And actually, if I already have YouTube open, I can just go into my account in the studio. I can just rename it. All right, so that, wait, we should already have Mega Bump. Oh wait, the thing that I just changed was Mega Bump. Right? No, it was Magic Bump. Okay, it was Magic Bump. Yeah, okay. So I put the link in the wrong place. All I need, this was fine. All we needed to do is rename it. Okay. Okay, now we come back here. And we bring Mega Bump back. Don't know why I chose to do it this way, but I apparently have. I guess it's similar to those. Oops. Add a class. This will be a Mega Bump effect. An iPlayer touch notifier effect. The Mega Bump. Alright, so then Mega Bump will be similar to the Spring Boost effect. Adding Mega Bump effect. All right. I think that is done. Also, did you all hear that Tuesday's stream is going to be pushed back to like either Wednesday or Thursday? I'm going to say it like multiple times throughout the night, but it has been. Okay, that's hilarious. Boing! Boing! And he just goes floating away. Okay, that's hilarious. All right, that one is done. I'm just saving my progress. All right, we're at 68 right now. So what do we make this last one? Do we do boost consumption? Do we do boost consumption? I feel like that'll... yeah, this is mega bump effect. And that is done. I think we do boost consumption rate. All right, boost consumption. So crossbar equals goal. Actually, we could also do it so that the crossbar flings car away. Goal for other team. What else could we do with the crossbar? You hit the crossbar. Gives boost, maybe? I don't know. Hmm. All right, I think we're gonna do boost consumption. But what do we want to name this? Actually, how easy was That's sound manager. I don't want that. All right. Let's do the crossbar. Let's do the crossbar and make it a goal. So this will be team-based. Will it? I don't know. We'll see. Alright, what else do I need to bring? Do I need to bring anything else from here? I don't think I used the collar at all. Oh, I will want that. Knowing the hit location will actually be very helpful. I know I have like a Strux. Here we go. I'll call this hit params. So hit params dot hit location. Actually, you know, it'd be funny is if when you hit the crossbar, it speeds up the ball. Like it just multiplies the speed of the ball. That would actually be pretty easy to do, I think. Because imagine hitting the crossbar and it just yoinks back into your net. Alright, so we're gonna need a new kind of effect here. It's gonna be an eye crossbar effect. Sent me an updated image. Let's check this out in a browser. From Misadventures in Astro. Is Io eating Jupiter? What happened? Is that a little black hole there? Look, it looks like an eyeball. Oh, that's Europa? Okay, Europa is eating Jupiter. You're right. You're right. But like this looks like the structure of an eyeball. You know? Where it's like here's the cornea. I think partly because it had to derotate Europa. What was there to derotate? It's like it's just orange. But maybe. Looks like there's like a slight blue on the edge here of chromatic aberration, but overall like looks good minus whatever's happening here. I don't know how, but we're losing Jupiter. You know, it's funny because in your earlier image that you sent last night, it had already started. I just noticed. Okay, so that's the same data. Gotcha. Okay, so this will be an eye crossbar hit effect. Eye crossbar hit effect. Cool is crossbar hit effect equals false. Notify crossbar hits. Okay, so we're gonna have a vector of crossbar crossbar hit parameters. Let's rename it. Hit params. So in the Chatbytes manager, it's going to need a new thing here. Void notify crossbar hit server wrapper hit params. Looks like we have another image. So this is just in methane. Yeah. Around 889 millimeters. It's a lot of gas. Very gassy. Misadventures is very gassy. Great red spot is bright in methane. I'm assuming that's what this is here. And then at the poles you have heating from aurora. Gotcha. Okay, is crossbar hit effect? Yes. If check should process. We are going to process, so this will be an I crossbar. Crossbar hit effect. Crossbar hit effect. Notify. Oh, I did the same thing again. Notify crossbar hit. Now to go back and find my best data to reprocess. All right, but the quality is pretty solid. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Need another opposition. Now you're just like you're reminding me of that like Dave Chappelle meme of like, y'all got any more of them oppositions? Yeah, yeah, this is you. Yeah, that's you right now. All right, so this should do all crossbar effects now. So let's I was hoping to break top 100, but we'll see. Top 110 doable for sure. Is there a time limit on it? No. Of all time. Oh, you got this. You're gonna do it. So it's like 20. Okay, so you're kind of catching up then, if that makes sense. Yeah, let's call this the crossbar boom effect. It's hoping to be Dylan O'Donnell this season, but then I found out he's like top 20. I mean, you've got a goal there. Crossbar boom effect. All right, we are making it to the 69th effect. Crossbar boom. Horse. Crossbar boom. Crossbar, boom. The readme. I guess all I need to do is crossbar, boom. Okay. Crossbar, boom. Manager. Notify crossbar hit. Game wrapper dot get current game state, and then hit params. What don't you like about this? Okay. Crossbar boom. Okay, so now I think we can finally add a an effect. Add class the crossbar boom effect. This is an eye crossbar hit effect. Okay, so I want like a basically like this. And that gets changed to that. And that gets changed to that. And this is an is crossbar hit effect equals true. And this will be this. Yes, that is finished. That's true. Turn. Crossbar, boom. Effect. Actually, I want the landmines open again. So I can copy this. Okay, so okay, so hold on, I want to see something. Stream. Ball location. Hit params dot hit location. Vector hit location equals hit location dot y. Log stream dot stir. Oh, that might be what it is. Params, and then this needs to be a okay, so that might need to be that. And then that needs to be that, but that also needs to be that. Alright, so if the crossbar boom is in effect... Actually, let's do this. I want to do this even before we even do any of that. I just want to see like what the hit location is. Private match, land match, no bots. I don't need a bot messing me up right now as I try to hit the crossbar. God damn it. I messed up the timing. Of course I did. I'm just too good that all I can do is score, you know? What? The ball location is 0? Eh? Why did that not make sense? Why is it all 0? Um... So I think this will be ball wrapper. Okay. It's not allowed, but why? I have a feeling this will crash the game. But we're gonna try it. All right, let's watch it crash. Yep, it crashed. We might be able to just do this. And instead of this, we do... Oops. Let's see if this works. I mean, otherwise we can just... I want to know which ball it is. Because there could be multiple balls on the field, and we need to know which one it is. I didn't hit the crossbar. Didn't hit it again. Even though it kind of looked like I did. No, I didn't have the speed. Because I didn't flip into it. I didn't flip for those. Alright, we'll just dribble. Alright, that worked. Wait. Yes, it did. So, yeah. So we'll know which ball it is. Okay, so we know which ball it is at that point. So let's make this the ball wrapper. Notify crossbar hit. Oops. Nope. So notify crossbar hit. With ball wrapper. Where is crossbar hit? Here it is. Alright, so then what we can do is ball wrapper dot get velocity. Vector new velocity equals that times 100. And ball wrapper dot set velocity new velocity. Oh, right. This needs to be ball wrapper. Let's just test this real quick. Alright, so theoretically, if I hit the crossbar right now, it should make the ball speed up by like 100 times. And just go zooming off. I didn't see it. I don't think it happened. Why did that not happen? Maybe I need to add velocity?
Looking back when she was young, living wild and free, her life an empty book filled with magic memories. Who is she now?
Didn't really... Why is it not doing it? Like, are you guys seeing this? Like nothing's happening. Yeah. Where's the boom effect? Or boomer effect? Oh, we're doing like 5,000. Picnic. Like, why is the ball like not going anywhere? Maybe the value is just too small. What? Like, it's like nothing is happening. Why is nothing happening? Actually, you know what? I should make a utils method to like log a vector. Static void log vector. Vector. Yeah, it's like the ball is on a picnic. It's just not doing anything. Decided to have a little siesta in the middle of the match. So it's gonna log the before and after velocity. And I'm assuming it's gonna say the same thing. It didn't even log. Alright, hold on here. Open menu dev tools. So then crossbar, apply. Function TA again, crossbar volume TA touch. Save to functions. Open this. Open the Bacchus mod folder. Wait. Thought I just saved that to functions.txt. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so what are we doing here? Well, let's try this. In fact, I don't even need the hit params. Because we got a couple things here. So we've got event ball hit, which might actually be better on ball hit world. So we've got these 5 triggers that we can potentially do. We might want to do like event ball hit.
All I heard about was all your love, wrapped in lies. Oh, showing off, pretending to be nice. All I heard about was all your love, but you crossed the line. Oh, but I got no heartache, heartbreak, grief without you now. No, I will keep dancing, I will keep dancing till the sun comes up and I'm running out of love. I'm holding on till dawn.
Alright. So we hit the crossbar there. Okay, that time we did, but it was going in. But we're not seeing the other log statements. Why are we not seeing the other log statements? Like, we should be seeing a... We should be seeing that. If not, ball wrapper log. For some reason, ball wrapper is null. Return. Log. Ball wrapper is not null. Log. End of crossbar hit event. This is so funky. Like, what's happening? Oops. What? What? Okay, so we... What? I'm so confused. What? Okay. I did forget to do that. That is true. I did forget to actually output the log statement. However, why is the velocity not working? We know that the velocity is working. Or that the thing is triggering. Actually, what we should do is we should actually just do that. Actually, it should be ball wrapper.get velocity. Why is manipulating the ball velocity not working? It didn't hit it. What? Why is the ball velocity 0? Why is the ball velocity 0? Huh? Add velocity, and we're just adding a vector. This don't make any goddamn sense. Oh, I should add that into some of these other things. Crossbar, car touch, replay. Oops, that's not where I want it. I want it in here. Set kickoff state. Basically, we're just checking to make sure that we're in a good known playlist. So the boost pickup. But what in the hell is going on? Touch.
Through all of this, you told me that you loved me so much. But now we're here, and I can barely breathe. Inside my head, I pulled apart.
Hey, I'm gonna try something here. Don't know if this will work. We're gonna see if we can like live debug this. All right. All right. Debug. We're gonna do it. Attach to a process. Attach to Rocket League. Alright, theoretically we are attached. So I'm gonna try and hit the crossbar now. Okay, that didn't like that. No, I didn't want that. I wanted debug attached to process. Okay, so theoretically, until this hits the crossbar, yeah, that's when it's gonna break. Because it doesn't like to actually debug this. Yeah, it's gonna just crash. C++ inspect void star. An unknown type. I cannot actually do that. Little did I know that this was going to be the hardest one. Or one of the harder ones to do. You know, let's try this. Let's try doing a event ball hit. I wonder. All right, so I wonder, can we do that? We might be able to. We might be able to get a pointer to the ball. But first, let's see if this other event actually works better. Like maybe it'll actually give us the ball. Because that might just be giving us an actor wrapper. Which is generic and doesn't actually have velocity. Hey, Hugin's back. Yeah, so that gave us nothing. It's just a generic actor wrapper. So Hugin, right now we're struggling a little bit here. As this is just a generic collar. So let's see if we can actually make this a pointer to the ball. We did. Ball wrapper equals hit params ball. So we're able to Did you delete sys32? No. I'm running on SSDs, not hard drives. So magnets are not going to work on me, mister. Although technically I have an external hard drive. I'm half expecting this to crash the game. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get a reference to the ball that hits the crossbar. And the reason why is because... Wait! That did it! That did it! Hey, we did it! We just needed Hugin to be here. Hugin, you can't leave. You can never leave now. I hope you know that. This whole channel rides on you being here. You can never leave. You are trapped. Oh, I missed. Oh, I missed. Way too high. All right, so it looks like the using the params instead of a collar, or instead of the collar, we're fine, because the collar is a generic object, not actually like the ball. I like how it like freaks out. Boing. Oh, that just went in.
Nice shot.
All right, so we got it working. We got it working now. So I can do this. I can take it and put it into here. Let's just do 1,000. So now we should be able to take this and actually put it on a into the effect. The kawaii-ness I have buried under the darkness. Got it working. Yeah, we just needed you to come in and you know, open things up. Little did I know. Oh, damn it. I missed something. Didn't add it to here. Crossbar boom effect. Now, Hugin, this is gonna make effect number 69. It's a very nice number. as you can see. Nice. All right, so what I want to do is I want to hit the crossbar normally, and then yeah, make sure that now when I turn it on, it works. Okay, that should not have gone in, but it did. Because it hits the post and it's just sped up rather than like bouncing. It seems to make the ball easier to put into the net. All right. Let's do this properly. Okay, I didn't do it properly. That should do it. What? There it is. It's making it like easier to go in for some reason. I don't actually understand why. Because that should have bounced out and it still went in. Picnic! But I don't know why. You know what? Let's do this. I think I have an idea on how we can fix this. Like, if we're hitting the crossbar, we should be moving out the opposite direction. Right? Yeah, so Y is in the up-down direction. So let's just make the velocity go in the other way. Because it should be bouncing. Also, I just noticed Tears Golf was first. I completely missed that. I am so sorry. I did not see it at all. But thank you, Tears Golf. Looks like they're playing Clue. All right, let's try this again. Let's see if it works better this time. And I've missed. And I've scored. That's...
Goo goo gaga.
It's so hard to hit the crossbar. That from Baby Saja? What? That don't seem right. Okay, there we go. There we go. That worked so much better. It's just like, get out here, boy.
Stop talking!
Why would you want me to stop talking? That's not very nice. Oh my god, is that just in? It is. Alright, we've got a crossbar boom. Boing! I guess the question is it too much, but I don't think so. I don't think it's too much, personally. Alright, let's save our code. Added the crossbar boom effect. Oh, also, I don't think I've told you guys this, but I also updated the overlay. So instead of it being white, we now have a black one. Because I'm planning to use the, there's a tool that you can use to like broadcast like tournaments and matches and whatnot. And I want to use that in addition to this, and that thing is black. In fact, let me start that up. Yeah, it's called Barl, Broadcast Assistant for Rocket League. Although it doesn't... Oh wait, did I... Oh, here, I have to go to this screen. Okay, there we go. So this is what it'll be like when we have like an actual like when we have like a best of 5, and like an actual like kind of tournament. Not really a tournament, but you know what I mean. So it was just updated to make it match this better. I might also update to their font as well. So, yeah. Which actually, why don't we do that right now? So if I go to help, I can get the overlay URL. Actually, let me open Rocket League real quick. You don't know what I mean? Alright, so you see there's a thing at the top there. Font Family Aldrich. This is Chatbyte's web. Go to the overlay. I am of an innocent mind. Don't lie to us, Hugin. Font Family Aldrich. Inherited from Div. So this is what I'm looking at here, is this text here. Network. Let's bring this into a separate window. It's easier to see. Aha, so there's a font here. A. And the head. How does it... Here we go. Ooh, I love this song. This is such a good song. Alright, so if I redo the overlay... Oh, no. You know what, let's do this. There we go. Hey, there. Now we've got a better one. Do I have a font family specified? So everything should be using that. Okay, so this is using it. Or it will use it if I do this. Why is it not updating?